Whether you are an employer or employee, you must be maintaining attendance sheet. And to maintain attendance sheet, Excel is the best tool. Nowadays, biometric system is getting followed in most of the places. But to maintain the records, attendance sheet in Excel is must. In today's video, we will see how we can create a fully dynamic attendance sheet in Excel. Till date, I have created many types of attendance sheet, but this one is totally different. Hi, my name is Vijay and you are watching Office Monk. Let's start the video without any delays. This is the attendance sheet which I have created in advance. Before creating the new format, let's see how it works. On the top, we have got month and year. And over here, we have got the drop downs. We have to select the month from the drop down, January. And as soon as I selected January, we can see from and to. From here, we will have to select the year. Currently, I have selected January and we can see from Jan 24 to December 24. When I'll select April, it will be April 24 to March 25. Over here we have got the drop downs for week offs. We can select our week offs as per our choice. I'll click over here and we'll select Saturday, and as soon as I select a Saturday, all the Saturdays got highlighted. And over here we have got the second option of selecting our week offs, and I'll select Sunday. So Saturdays and Sundays got highlighted. In case you just want to highlight one day, click over here and do it none, and only the selected day will be highlighted. In case you want to highlight any other day, just select the desired day and that desired day will be highlighted. Over here we have got our holidays. Currently we are in the month of April and 7th of April is highlighted as Good Friday. If I change the month and will do it January, 1st of Jan got highlighted as New Year. You'll notice one thing, our holidays got highlighted over here as well as the whole column got highlighted. These are the dates and days of January. When we will come to right hand side, from here February is getting started and the color got changed. We are not going to create 12 sheets for 12 months. All the entries will be done in a single sheet. So this is January, this is February, and when we will come to right hand side, all the months are over here. And in the end we have got yearly summary. For monthly summary, click here, and when we will click over here, we will be diverted to monthly summary. In monthly summary, we haven't got summary of each and every month. We will have to select the date range. And as soon as the date range will be selected, we will be able to see the summary of that specific date range. In this format, we have got total 3 sheets. First one is settings, where we will have our holidays list and employee details. Second is mark attendance, which we have seen right now. And third one will be summary. Let's start creating a new sheet now. I'll select the whole sheet and we'll take all the things in mid. We'll take column number A little bit closer. We'll click on B2 and we'll select C and D also. We'll merge this together and we'll drag it down. We'll create borders. We'll put some color over here. We'll change the font color and we'll change the font style. This will be month and year and this will be week offs. Now I'll select E and F and we'll merge together. We'll drag it down. We'll put borders. We'll put some color over here and we'll change the font color. Now we will click over here. We'll go to data validation. From here we will go to list, source. In source we will type name of month from January to December. And we will do OK. So the drop down list for months got created. We will select January. Now we will click over here. We'll go to data validation. From here we will select list, source. In source we will type years from 2024 till 2030. And we will do OK. So the drop down list for years got created. We will select 2024. We will increase the row size. We'll increase the font size. We'll leave it selected and we'll change the font style. Now we will click over here on B4 and we'll select C4 also and we'll merge it together. We will select D also. We'll go to data validation. From here we will go to list, source. Over here we will type name of weekdays, but in the very beginning we will type none, comma, name of all the days, and we will do OK. We'll go to home and we'll put some color over here. We'll change the font color and the drop down list for week offs got created. We will select Saturday and over here Sunday. We'll select both and we'll take all the things in center. We'll leave it selected. We'll go to home, conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, equal to, and over here we will type none. We'll click on the drop down, customize format, fill, and from here we will select blue color. Font color will be same as of our cell color and we will do OK. OK. So whenever it will be none, nothing will be visible. But whenever we will select any weekday, red color will be visible. Now we will click over here on E4 and we'll select F also and we'll merge together. We'll put some color over here. We'll change the font color. This will be holidays. We'll create borders. We'll change the font style. We'll increase the font size. We'll select this and we'll create borders. We'll increase the row size. We'll increase the font size over here. We'll change the font style. We'll click over here on B5. This will be serial number, employee code, employee name. We'll adjust the column size, designation, department. We'll click on serial number and we'll select this. We'll merge together. We'll do the same thing till department. We'll select this and we'll put some color over here. We'll change the font color. We'll create borders. Serial number, I'll type 1 over here. We'll take this in center and we'll drag it down. Fill series. We'll create borders. We'll take employee details from my setting sheet. Ctrl+C or Command+C. We'll go to my format and we'll paste over here. Paste special, values. We'll create borders. We'll drag the serial number down. We'll go on top. We'll adjust the column size over here. I'll click over here and we'll select till I and we'll merge together. We'll put some color over here. We'll change the font color. This will be from. We'll increase the font size. We'll click over here and we'll select till S and we'll merge together. We'll put some color. We'll change font color. Over here we are going to insert our holidays. We'll select this and we'll put some color over here. Now we will insert our dates and the formula for first date will be plus or equal to date value, bracket open, double inverted comma 1, double inverted comma close, and we will select month and we will select year. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We got some random figure over here. We'll take this in center. We'll select couple of cells and we'll press Ctrl 1. We'll go to date and we'll select a desired date format and we'll do OK. So our first date got visible. The formula for second date will be plus or equal to if bracket open. We will click on first date. We'll press function F4 3 times. Is smaller than EO month means end of the month, bracket open. We will click on first date. We'll press function F4, comma 0, bracket close, comma. We'll click on first date once again, plus 1. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. So our second date is over here. We will take this in center. Now we will insert the formula for days and the formula will be plus or equal to text, bracket open. We will click on first date, comma, double inverted comma, DDD means D 3 times, double inverted comma close, bracket close, and we will hit enter. We'll take this in center and we'll drag this till second date. Now we will select our second date and day and we'll drag this till 31st. We'll come to left. We'll put some color over here. We'll create borders. We'll put some color over here also. We'll come to left. Now we will insert formula for holidays and the formula will be plus or equal to VLOOKUP, bracket open, lookup value. Date will be our lookup value, comma, table array. We will go to our setting sheet and we'll select holidays list from top. We'll press function F4 and the cells will be logged, comma, column index number. Our dates are in column number 1 and holidays names are in column number 2. So we want holidays name. We will put 2 over here, comma 0 for exact match. We'll close the bracket. But before hitting enter, we will go in the beginning of formula bar and we'll insert the criteria of if error. If error, bracket open, we'll come to the end, comma, double inverted comma twice for blank, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We can see new year over here, means our first holiday. We'll go to home, we'll come in the center and we'll change the alignment. Rotate text up. We'll take this in center and we'll wrap the text. We'll adjust the column size. We will leave it selected. We'll go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, greater than, and over here we will insert double inverted comma twice for blank. We'll click on the drop down, customize format, fill, and from here we will select a desired color. Font color will be black and we'll do OK. OK. So our first holiday got highlighted in yellow. Now we will drag this till end. Our second holiday is over here. We'll come to left. We'll select the columns and we'll adjust the size. We'll make the row size bigger. We'll select this and we'll put some color. We'll select this once again. We'll go to Conditional Formatting, Manage Rules. We'll click over here, Edit Rule, Customize Format. We'll go to Border and we'll put borders over here. And we'll do OK, OK, OK. So borders got visible. Now we will select all the dates. We'll go to Home, Conditional Formatting, and from here we will go to New Rule. We'll click on the drop down and we'll select Classic. In case you are using Windows, you will not be getting the option of Classic. You will be diverted to next step, and that is use a formula to determine which cells to format. And our formula will be plus or equal to mod, bracket open, month, bracket open. We'll come to left and we'll click on first date. We'll remove the first dollar. We'll close the bracket, comma, 2. We'll click on the drop down, customize format, fill, and from here we will select a desired color. Font color will be white, and we will do OK. OK. We got some error. I forgot to put bracket over here. So we'll close the bracket and we'll do OK. So the month of January got highlighted in green color. When I'll increase the dates for next month, the color will be automatically changed. Now I'll click over here and we'll select till last employee. We'll select the last date of the month. We'll come to left. We'll go on top. We'll go to Home, Conditional Formatting, New Rule. From here I'll go to Classic, and from the drop down I'll select Use a formula to determine which cells to format. And our formula will be plus or equal to, we'll take this to right, we'll click on first day, we'll remove the first dollar, is equal to, we'll click over here from where we are going to select our week offs. We'll click on the drop down, customize format, fill, and from here I'll select red color. Font color will be white, and we'll make it bold. OK. OK. So our Saturdays got highlighted. We'll create borders. We'll go to Conditional Formatting once again. Manage Rules. We'll click on the rule, Duplicate Rule. Now I'll click on Edit Rule. We'll take this to right. We'll delete the last cell reference and we'll click over here. And we'll do OK. OK. So our Saturdays also got highlighted. Now we will highlight our holidays. We'll go to Conditional Formatting, New Rule. From here I'll select Classic. And from the drop down I'll select Use a formula to determine which cells to format. And the formula will be, we'll take this on top, plus or equal to, we'll click on our first holiday, we'll remove the first dollar, is greater than blank. For blank I'll insert double inverted comma twice. We'll click on the drop down, customize format, fill, and from here I'll select blue color. Font color will be white, and I'll select bold, and we'll do OK. OK. So our holidays also got highlighted. We'll leave this selected. We'll go to Conditional Formatting, highlight cell rule, equal to, and over here I'll type P, means present. We'll click on the drop down, customize format, fill, and we'll select green color. Font will be white, and we'll do OK. OK. In the same way I'll highlight absent and all my leaves. So all the codes got highlighted. If I type P over here, it will be highlighted in green. In the same way, all the codes will be highlighted. We'll delete this and we'll create the drop down for all the codes later on. Format for 1 month is ready now. We'll go to View, Show, and we'll remove the grid lines. We'll come to right hand side. We'll select this and we'll drag this till December. We'll delete this. This will be total present, total absent, total PL, total SL, total week offs, total holidays. We'll select this and we'll adjust the column size. We'll select this and we'll create borders. We'll create borders over here also. This will be P, A, PL, SL, WO, and this will be H for holidays. We'll put some color over here. We'll change the font color. In the same way, I'll highlight all the heads. We'll select this and we'll increase the font size. We'll create borders over here. We'll select this and we'll merge together. We'll put some color over here. We'll change the font color. This will be yearly summary. We'll change the font style. We'll increase the font size. We'll select this and we'll merge together. We'll put some color. For monthly summary, comma, we'll press Alt and we'll hit Enter. Click here. We'll change the font style. We'll increase the font size. Now we'll click over here and we'll merge together. We'll put some color over here and we'll change the font color. We'll put our formulas over here later on. We'll come to left. We'll click over here and we will put our formula. Plus or equal to text, bracket open, min, bracket open. We'll click on first date and we'll select the last date of the year. We'll press function F4 and the cells will be logged. Comma, double inverted comma, MMM means M 3 times, dash, YY, double inverted comma close, bracket close, and double inverted comma, space 2, space, double inverted comma, and text, bracket open, max, bracket open. We'll select our date range once again from 1st Jan till 31st of December. We'll press function F4 and the cells will be logged. Comma, double inverted comma, MMM, dash, YY, double inverted comma close. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. So we can see Jan 24 to December 24. If I change the month, February, we can see Feb 24 to Jan 25. Perfect. Now we will create drop down to mark our attendance and leaves. We'll select this. We'll go to data, data validation. From here we will select list, source. We'll take this to left. We'll go to right hand side. And we'll select our leave codes from here. And we'll do OK. We'll come to left. So drop down for all the leave codes got created. And it's getting highlighted too. We'll delete this. We'll go on top and we'll change the month. We'll do it January. We'll come to extreme right hand side and we'll put our formulas over here. Formula for total present will be plus or equal to Countif, bracket open. We'll go to left. We'll click in front of first employee and we'll select the last date. We'll go to formula bar and we'll insert dollar before G7. We'll insert dollar over here also just before NH7, comma. We'll click on code of total present. We'll press function F4 2 times. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We got 0 over here. We'll take this in center. Before dragging this down, we will press Ctrl 1. We'll go to custom. We'll remove general and we'll type has semicolon dash or minus and we'll do OK. So now 0 is not visible, instead dash is visible. We will drag this to right and we'll drag this down. We'll go on top. Now whenever we will do some entry, it will be visible. Perfect. We'll delete this. We'll insert one more sheet. We'll rename this sheet as mark leaves. This will be summary. Or let's do one thing. Let's delete this and create a copy of this one. We'll press Alt and we'll drag this to plus sign and a copy will be created. We'll come to left and we'll delete this. Delete. We'll insert one column over here. We'll remove the colors. No fill. We'll remove borders also. No border. We'll delete all the formulas and we'll create borders. We'll create borders over here also. We'll go on top and we'll take this closer. We'll delete all these things. Delete. We'll increase the size of row number 2. We'll merge B and C and we'll put some color. We'll select D and we'll create borders. We'll click over here. We'll put some color and we'll create borders. We'll increase the column size. This will be start date and this will be end date. We'll change the font color. We'll increase the font size. We'll change the font style. We'll put some random date over here. We'll take this in center. We'll increase the font size. We'll change the font color. We'll press Ctrl 1 and we'll select a desired date format and we'll do OK. We'll copy this, Ctrl C or Command C and we'll paste over here. We'll increase the column size. We'll make it 31st of Jan. We'll select this and we'll merge together. We'll put some color over here. We'll change the font color. This will be summary. We'll change the font style. We'll increase the font size. We'll take row number 3 closer. We'll adjust the column size. We'll take all the things in center. Now we will put our formula over here and the formula will be plus or equal to Countifs, bracket open, criteria range 1, We'll go to mark leaves or just say mark attendance sheet. We'll come to left and we'll select our dates from first till last. We'll press function F4 and the cells will be logged, comma, greater than or equal to. But whenever we use Countif or Countifs, we have to take greater than or equal to in double inverted comma. So we will put double inverted comma, greater than or equal to, double inverted comma close, and we will go to our summary sheet and we'll click on first date. We'll press function F4 and the cells will be logged, comma. We'll go to mark leaves or mark attendance once again. We'll go to left and we'll select the date once again from first till last date of the year. We'll press function F4 and the cells will be logged, comma, double inverted comma, smaller than or equal to, double inverted comma close, and we'll click on last date, means last date range. We'll press function F4 and the cells will be logged, comma, criteria range 3. We will go to our mark leaves or mark attendance sheet. We'll come to left and we'll click just in front of first employee and we'll select till end. We'll press function F4 3 times, comma, criteria 3. We'll go to our summary sheet and we'll click on code of total present. We'll press function F4 2 times. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. So over here dash is visible. Let's do some entry. I'll put P over here. This will be holiday. Let me change the name. It will be mark attendance. And this will be summary. So we can see total present 1. We will drag this over here. So 1 holiday and 1 present. Now we will drag this till end. Summary format is ready. We'll go to mark attendance. We'll come to extreme right hand side. We'll click over here. We'll right click the mouse. Hyperlink. Over here we can see 3 things. Web page of file, this document and email address. We'll click on this document. And over here we have got the sheet's name. So I'll click on summary and we'll do OK. We'll go to home and we'll change the font color. We'll delete this, means we'll delete A1 and this will be monthly summary. Enter. We'll wrap the text. We'll increase the font size. We'll change the font style. Now whenever we'll click over here, we will be diverted to our monthly summary sheet. This format is ready now. I'll provide link of this file in description box. In case you want to download, you can. I'm sure you must have loved the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon with a new topic. Till then, bye bye.